Friends, have you ever wondered how vast our universe really is? You can get an idea in just a single glance at the night sky. And once you realize how small our Earth is compared to the infinite cosmos, your entire perspective on life will change. Stay with me till the end, because I'll be sharing space facts so astonishing that they will completely expand your understanding of the universe. Welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we're diving deep into some of the most fascinating facts about our universe, our solar system, and beyond. These are not just scientific details, they're insights that show us just how tiny, fragile, and special our Earth is in the grand design of the cosmos. And here's the catch: scientists themselves admit that humanity has barely scratched the surface. We don't even know 0.5% of what the universe truly is. So let's begin this incredible journey together. Here are some examples of the vastness of the universe. Step out onto your terrace or into an open sky at night when the lights are dim. Look up. Those twinkling stars you see? Each one is millions of times bigger than our Earth. Imagine this: our Earth is like a grain of sand in a vast desert. The sun itself can fit 1.3 million Earths inside it. And yet the sun isn't even the largest star. There are stars many times larger spread across space. Our Milky Way galaxy alone contains over 100 billion stars. And scientists estimate there are more than 100 billion galaxies in the universe. Just think about that. Billions of galaxies, each holding billions of stars. Suddenly our sun feels incredibly tiny. And here's the shocking part: even with all of today's technology, we barely understand a fraction of it. Science knows less than 5% of the universe. The remaining 95% is invisible, that is made of dark matter and dark energy. Here are some fascinating planetary facts. If Saturn could be placed in water, it would float like a balloon because its density is less than water. Jumping on other planets would feel completely different from Earth. If you can jump 1.5 feet here, you could jump 3 feet on Mars, 10 feet on the Moon, and on Jupiter. You wouldn't be able to lift off at all. This happens because your jump depends on gravity. More gravity means less jump. Less gravity means higher jump. According to Einstein, the stars we see at night may not actually exist in that form today. The light we see left those stars thousands or millions of years ago. We're looking into the past every time we gaze at the sky. Isn't this mind-boggling? You won't believe this amazing space phenomena in space. If two pieces of the same metal touch, they fuse permanently. This is called cold welding. This happens because there is virtually no oxygen in the vacuum of space. Therefore, if two pieces of clean metal touch, there is no oxide layer to prevent their atoms from bonding. The atoms of one piece of metal essentially see the atoms of the other piece as if they were a continuation of the same material. When the atoms of the two pieces of metal come into direct contact, their metallic bonds naturally bridge the gap. The atoms share electrons and form a single continuous crystalline structure, essentially making the two pieces one. This is a well-documented phenomenon that has caused problems in space missions. For instance, the Galileo spacecraft's high-gain antenna failed to fully deploy because some of its ribs, which were made of the same metal, cold welded together during the mission's long journey to Jupiter. To prevent cold welding, space engineers use different types of metal for parts that will be in contact, as cold welding is less likely to occur between dissimilar metals, or designing parts with rougher surfaces to minimize the actual contact area between them. Footprints left on the moon will never disappear because there is no wind. In fact, Chandrayaan-3's rover wheels were designed to leave the Ashoka Chakra, and ISRO's name imprinted forever on the lunar soil. The International Space Station, ISS, is the largest man-made object in space. It was assembled in orbit, not built on Earth. It circles Earth every 90 minutes at a speed of 27,500 km per hour and is visible to 90% of Earth's population. Think about it. You could step outside tonight and see humanity's greatest engineering marvel racing above your head like a fast-moving star. Unbelievably strange and surprising facts: Titan, Saturn's moon, has rivers and lakes of liquid natural gas. Mars appears red because of iron oxide, essentially rust, on its surface. The sun is so hot that even a pinhead-sized piece of it placed on Earth would kill you instantly, even if you are 185 km away. Mars' Olympus Mons is the tallest mountain in the solar system, 3 times taller than Everest at 24 km. Neutron stars are so dense that a teaspoon of their matter would weigh as much as Earth's entire population combined. Some spin over 500 times per second. Venus, not Mercury, is the hottest planet. Its thick CO2 atmosphere traps heat like a greenhouse, making it hotter than Mercury, even though Mercury is closer to the Sun. Now, Let's look at some facts about galaxies, stars, and mysteries. Every 18 days, a new star is born in our Milky Way galaxy. Uranus experiences 42 years of sunlight followed by 42 years of darkness at its poles. In 1977, a mysterious 72-second signal was received from space. Scientists called it the WOW signal, and to this day, they don't know where it came from. It was detected at a frequency of 1420.4556 MHz, which is very close to the 21 centimeter hydrogen line, a frequency many astronomers believe would be a likely channel for interstellar communication. The signal appeared to originate from the constellation Sagittarius. The WOW signal remains a fascinating mystery that continues to inspire and intrigue scientists and the public, serving as a reminder of the many unknowns that still exist in our universe. Astronauts actually grow about 2 inches taller in space because there's no gravity compressing their spine. The moon is drifting away from Earth by 3.8 centimeter every year. Millions of years from now, it will look much smaller in our sky. Jupiter's Great Red Spot is a massive storm that has been raging for centuries, and it's still going strong. And this will blow your mind. Scientists have discovered a planet called 55 Cancri e, located 40 light-years away, that is made almost entirely of diamond. The scientists believe it rains diamonds on this planet. Let's see some more incredible facts. Andromeda Galaxy is the closest major galaxy to the Milky Way. If a human is left in space without a suit, they would lose consciousness in 15 seconds and die in 2 minutes. In space, you cannot talk, burp, or cry like on Earth, because sound and fluids don't behave the same way without gravity or atmosphere. If you talk in space, no one can hear you because there is no air for the sound to travel. On Earth, the gravity pulls down the solids and liquids, allowing the lighter gas to rise to the top. When you burp on Earth, you expel this trapped gas. In the microgravity of space, there is no force to separate the gas from the liquid and solid contents of your stomach. This means that if you try to burp, you're likely to bring up a mixture of gas, liquid, and food, which is often described as a wet burp or even a small amount of vomit. To avoid this, astronauts have to be very careful about what and how they eat and drink. A spacesuit costs about 12 million to make. The Chinese wall cannot be seen from space, but China's pollution can. Astronauts have reported that space smells like welding fumes or burnt metal. Actually, space is a vacuum and there is no smell. But it's about what happens when astronauts and equipment return to the pressurized environment of a spacecraft. This is a fascinating question, and the answer lies not in smelling space itself, which is a vacuum and has no smell, but in what happens when astronauts and equipment return to the pressurized environment of a spacecraft. In the region of space where the International Space Station orbits, low Earth orbit, there is a significant amount of atomic oxygen. This is a highly reactive form of oxygen, where single oxygen atoms are abundant, due to the sun's ultraviolet radiation splitting regular oxygen molecules, O2. When a spacesuit or tool is exposed to this atomic oxygen, these reactive atoms cling to the surfaces. When the astronaut returns to the spacecraft's airlock and the cabin is repressurized with air, these atomic oxygen atoms react with the oxygen molecules, O2, and other materials on the surface of the suit. This chemical reaction is a form of oxidation, similar to a slow, flameless combustion, which releases the compounds that create the burnt or metallic smell. Light from the moon takes about 1.3 seconds to reach Earth. In 1963, the US tested a hydrogen bomb in space, 100 times more powerful than the Hiroshima bomb. This was done to study the effects of a high-altitude nuclear explosion, to understand and weaponize the Earth's natural radiation belts, and to assess the impact of an electromagnetic pulse, EMP. This test was called Starfish Prime. There's even evidence of massive reservoirs of floating water vapor in space, larger than all of Earth's oceans combined. Friends, our universe is so vast, mysterious, and full of wonders that even after decades of exploration, scientists admit we've barely begun to understand it. Every fact we uncover is like one grain of sand on a cosmic beach. So the next time you look up at the night sky, remember, our Earth, our lives, and our struggles are just a tiny dot in the infinite canvas of the universe. Now tell me, which of these space facts amazed you the most? Comment below, because I'd love to hear your thoughts. And if you enjoyed this journey through the cosmos, don't forget to like this video, share it with your friends, and subscribe to the channel for more fascinating space and science content.